Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the control center here, and here you have the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you will enable this mode. If you hold your finger on it, you can access some of its settings here. You can switch it here. You can also set this don't wake screen for notifications. There's also turn off when charged. You can set it to turn off if the battery is up to 60% or fully charged. And you can also set a schedule for this mode here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.